Hi everyone, I am Dr. Leo Joseph, a professor at SRU University with expertise in electronics and communication engineering. My research in smart system and computational intelligence drives my passion for teaching innovative technologies to future engineers. I teach digital electronics, the backbone of modern technology, where we design circuits using logic gates, microprocessors, and more. Digital electronics powers everything, your smartphone, computers, even self-driving cars. It is the foundation of innovation, enabling faster, smarter devices that shape our world. This field is booming. Companies like Intel, Qualcomm, and Nvidia need digital electronic experts for chip design and IoT solutions. SRU industry aligned curriculum prepares you for these high demand roles. In my course, you will master logic design, microcontrollers, and circuit prototyping. Through hands on labs, you will build real systems like counters or embedded devices using tools like VHDL and Arduino. SR University, with its NBA Tier 1 accreditation, offers cutting edge labs and expert faculty. Our experiential learning approach, including projects and industrial visits, ensures you gain practical skills in a supportive environment. With digital electronics, you can become a chip designer, embedded systems engineer, or IoT specialist. SRU's 95% placement rate connects you to top firms, or you can pursue advanced studies. To aspiring engineers, dive into digital electronics with curiosity and grit. At SRU, we will help you turn ideas into reality. Join us and let's build the future of technology together.